Jumping rope is a form of cardio exercise that world-class athletes from boxers to football pros swear by. Jumping rope helps tone your calves, tighten your core, improve your lung capacity, and build stamina. Jumping rope is a full-body workout, so it burns many calories in a short time. For an average-sized person, jumping rope might even burn more than 10 calories a minute. But jumping rope alone won't be enough to help you lose weight. Jumping rope can be a part of a diet and exercise routine that revs your metabolism and helps you drop pounds fast. However, there are a few other things you should know before you try it. Keep watching to find out more about jumping rope to lose weight. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you tips on how to lose weight jumping ropes. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to our channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics show that more than 90% of our viewers are not subscribed. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. The key to jumping rope for weight loss starts with understanding how to lose weight. The medical literature agrees that the first rule of weight loss is to create a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is simply defined as using more calories than you consume throughout the day. You can do this by being mindful of your food intake and by burning calories through exercise. To lose 1 pound of fat per week, you need to create a consistent calorie deficit of 500 to 1000 calories per day. That amounts to around 3500 calories per week. The number of calories you lose through jumping ropes will depend on how much you weigh when you start. A calorie is simply a measurement of energy. Weight is a measurement of gravity. When you weigh more, it takes more energy to work against gravity to move your body. That's why people who are heavier burn more calories when working out. Jump rope weight loss results. Results from jumping ropes vary depending on your diet, weight loss goals, activity level, and level of commitment to the workout. You'll also need to consider other factors like your age and your metabolism, which could impact how quickly you see results. As an example, we'll use a 150-pound woman. Through mindful eating, she might be able to create a calorie deficit of 3500 calories, 1 pound of weight loss per week. If she adds a 20-minute jump rope workout to her routine 5 days a week, she'll lose an additional 200 calories per day. That's an extra 1000 calories burned per week, which will give her a weight loss boost of an additional half pound per week. Doctors don't recommend losing more than 2 pounds per week as it can begin to affect your muscle mass. At a rate of 1.5 pounds of weight loss per week, she will lose 6 pounds a month. If she sticks to her routine, she will lose 12 pounds in 2 months. As her weight decreases, she'll have to jump rope for a longer duration of time or restrict her calorie intake further to continue to see the same result. It could take up to 4 months for her to see dramatic results, like a 20-pound weight loss. A 20-pound weight loss would be a significant percentage of her starting weight, which might make this result difficult to achieve. There are other factors to be considered when you are jumping rope for weight loss. For example, doing the same workout over and over will eventually yield diminishing results. Cross-training through other aerobic exercises such as weight training, running, or cardio kickboxing will boost the calories you burn and keep you from hitting rated weight loss plateau. where your routine stops working. Before you start on any calorie restriction plan, it's a good idea to speak with a doctor about your goals and your health history. Diets like keto or paleo are gaining popularity, but factors like high cholesterol and heart disease might mean they aren't good choice for you. A good place to start is to evaluate what you are reaching for first in your pantry and fridge. Nutrient-dense, high-fiber forms of protein can cut down on hunger, while cutting back on sugar and refined carbohydrates will shave hundreds of calories from your daily consumption. One misconception about jumping rope for weight loss is that you jump rope only over a solid block of time. The key to jumping rope is aerobic exercises like its capabilities for high-intensity interval training. That means you work out at a high-intensity level for short bursts followed by resting periods. Here is a sample jump rope workout. You'll need a stopwatch or access to an app with a timer. Set 1. Jump rope for 30 seconds straight. This may be harder than it sounds. Rest for 60 seconds, then do another 30 seconds and repeat 9 times. Set 2. Jump rope for 30 seconds straight while alternating feet, practicing shifting your weight back and forth and tightening your core. Rest for 90 seconds between reps. Do this 4 times. Set 3. End with a jump rope circuit combination. Do 30 seconds of jumping rope. Rest only for 12 seconds before doing 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Rest for 12 seconds and add 30 seconds of burpees. Rest one more and finish strong with 30 seconds of push-ups. When you use a jump rope as exercise equipment, you might want to invest in a specialty jump rope from a sporting goods store. A salesperson at one of the stores can walk you through the best ways to use a jump rope and if you'll need special shoes. Other benefits of jump rope. Weight loss isn't the only potential health benefit of jumping rope. Jumping rope improves your heart health. When you use the jump rope as a workout routine, you'll be elevating your heart rate to a higher intensity than it's used to. High-intensity workouts have been shown to make your heart stronger and decrease your risk of stroke and heart disease. Jumping rope can decrease belly fat. No workout is effective on its own without dieting to get rid of belly fat. But high-intensity interval training exercise like jump rope has been linked to faster fat loss results, particularly around your abs and your trunk muscle. By pulling your core tight during a jump rope exercise routine, you can target that area and start sculpting abs. Jumping rope can improve your balance. It takes some coordination and balance to pull off a full jump rope workout. Practicing consistently will improve your ability to do it and give you better balance and coordination in your day-to-day life too. One study of young soccer players showed that jumping rope as a training exercise improved coordination and balance on the field. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled the most interesting tips on how you can lose weight by jumping ropes. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply daily in your life. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.